Ever wondered what the different types of car insurance coverage mean for you? Well, today, we're going to break it down. Let's start with liability coverage. This is the foundation of any auto insurance policy and is required in most states. If you cause an accident, liability coverage helps pay for the other person's expenses. There are two types: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. Bodily injury covers costs associated with injuries you're responsible for, while property damage covers damage you cause to another person's property. Next up is comprehensive coverage. Despite its name, it doesn't cover everything. It does, however, provide protection against damage to your car that's not caused by a collision. Think fire, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. So, if a tree falls onto your parked car during a storm, comprehensive coverage is your friend. Collision coverage, as the name suggests, helps pay to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of who's at fault. It's typically optional unless you're leasing or financing your car, in which case your lender might require it. Last, but certainly not least, we have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This kicks in if you're hit by a driver who doesn't have enough or any liability insurance to cover the costs of a crash. Basically, it's your safety net when someone else drops the ball. Each of these coverages has its place and importance in your car insurance policy. They work together to protect you, your vehicle, and your financial stability in the event of an accident. The key is to understand your needs and select a policy that best suits them. Remember, knowing your coverage is the first step in navigating the car accident insurance maze. So, you've been in a fender bender. What's the next move? Reporting the accident, of course. This isn't just about ticking off a checklist. It's about protecting yourself legally and ensuring you can access your insurance coverage. First, call the police. Even for minor incidents, having an official report can be invaluable. It documents the facts and provides a neutral third-party perspective. Next, get in touch with your insurance company. The sooner they know, the sooner they can get to work. When you make that call, have your policy number handy, along with details of the accident. These include the time, place, circumstances, and any other involved parties. Also, if there are any witnesses, their statements can be a great help. Remember, honesty is vital when reporting. Even if you think a detail might work against you, withholding it can lead to denied claims or even legal trouble. With quick, accurate reporting, you're on your way to a smoother claims process. Insurance adjusters are key players in the claims process. But how do you ensure effective communication with them? The answer lies in understanding their role and how to interact with them. Insurance adjusters are employed by insurance companies to inspect the damage, investigate the accident, and determine the payout for your claim. Their job is to try to save their company money, which often means minimizing your settlement. But don't despair. You have a say in this process too. When dealing with adjusters, remember this: documentation is your best friend. Keep records of all correspondence. This includes phone calls, emails, and in-person meetings. It's also crucial to remain professional at all times. Remember, they're just doing their job. Don't be afraid to negotiate if you feel the adjuster's estimate is too low. You know your vehicle and its value better than anyone. Remember, good communication with your adjuster can make all the difference in your claim outcome. Mistakes, knowing what's included and what's not, can save you from unpleasant surprises down the line. With these tips, you're equipped to navigate the claims process confidently. Drive safe, everyone.